Bratislava may not be the first city that comes to mind when you think of vegan food in Europe, but we found a vibrant and creative scene here. From cozy cafes and street food style tacos to punk sushi bars. We even sampled this incredible regional dessert and tried out some cutting edge plant based steak.
So, how was the vegan food scene in Bratislava? Let's find out.
Our first meal in Bratislava was breakfast at ViK Vegan Venue. The vibe of the space is really nice. It feels like a cafe from Bali, but the vegan identity is front and center, and I love that. There's a dessert counter to choose from. The owner's friend is a baker, and we decided to get the cremesh, a very regional dessert. And we loved it. The plating was exquisite, and every layer, the cream, the custard, the pastry was so light and refreshing. Delicious.
So light and fluffy, really good.
We actually started with the cream cheese and smoked tofu bagel, which came with a side salad and was great value at just €8 for the plate. The bagel was very nice. This place was packed, and it's so nice to see vegan spots doing well. The owner, Lubo, was amazing to talk to. It was just him and his partner doing everything: cooking, cleaning, taking orders, and waiting on tables. But still, he made time to talk to us. You should definitely check this spot out. Next up was lunch at the vegan Kiosk. This spot started out as a street food truck, and you can still see it in the simplicity of the menu. Again, this place was full and there was a buzz of excitement.
Let's have Mexican.
We got the birria tacos, and just look at these. They were incredible. The homemade seitan was out of this world, maybe some of the best we've ever had. And it was pressed like a quesadilla to melt the cheese. Oh man, these tacos really hit the spot. They are known for their fried burritos as well, but we were too full. With places like this, you know that it's the right time for vegan food. We also spotted an omni place called Soup Culture. They serve the soup in edible bowls of bread. They have a couple of vegan options. We really wanted to try it, but it was quite a hot day. Next, we did a walking tour of this beautiful city. We learned of its complex history and got more context about the popular sightings. This was just a day trip for us from Vienna, so we really appreciated Anna, the tour guide, who combined history and her personal life and opinions in a wonderful way. After the walking tour, we were off to Smok for an evening snack. Smok is a sushi joint with a punk edge. The food is insanely good. They have a sushi sampler with 4 varieties and 8 pieces, and just look at it. Glorious. All this for just €9, and every variant was really good. This is a place that Lubo from ViK had highly recommended. I love places with personality, and I love this place. And finally, for dinner we headed to Balans Bistrot, another spot that was proudly vegan. We got a steak, which was expensive and really small. I think the huge portion of fries tries to compensate for it, but it just made the steak look even smaller. The steak was good, especially with the cheese sauce, but way too small. The Vietnamese bowl was really tasty too. The mock meat was really good, the peanut coconut dressing was flavorful, and it felt fresh and light because of the herbs. We enjoyed both plates. Bratislava was just a day trip for us, but it left such a strong impression. The food was inventive, the community was so passionate, and every place had its own personality. If you're traveling through Central Europe, do not skip this city, especially if you're vegan.
So if you're planning a trip to Bratislava, it's time to get really excited.